Morning, guys. I want to say the melting pot, which is literally the melting pot. Today it's like 90 something degrees. It is hellfire. Anyways, today is the first day of our rebuild series, the R6. Ahaha. Yep. So of all the many things that were broken, dismangled, and taken apart, the first things first, the thing that we have to do that I think is one of the most important things is the gas tank. The gas tank wasn't completely ruined. We were able to find out a way how to salvage it instead of buying another one. So with that being said, we have to remove it. We're gonna get it, the hole that it does have, I'll show you right now so you can see. The hole that it does have is pretty small, so we're gonna try and get it welded back up. We're gonna remove it and clean it. That's pretty much today's video. Anything you wanna say?
Yeah, just
let's do it.
Dipping off what Jamal said, yeah, we're just gonna be removing the tank today, showing you guys how to do that step by step.
Right.
And then like what he said, we're gonna end up welding this little spot right here, bondoing over it, sanding it down, and getting it ready for paint. Right. Hopefully that works. That's our best case scenario, money-wise. And if that does work, then good. Then we can focus on everything else. All the other little pieces of the bike that need to get changed out after that. But this today is what we're gonna be doing. So.
Right. Oh, side note, I told you I'd be looking like a caveman in the next video. Yep.
And I still look the same. And it's funny because we're actually uploading the video before this video right now. So.
Yep.
This is how hard we work for you guys. For you not to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. All right,
let's get it started. Yep. All right, so obviously, you know, there are certain things that are missing here, which we have, but for the sake of time, we just decided to kind of get started to where it's solely the gas tank and not really the whole bike. So we're gonna explain to you partially on how to get to where we're at right now.
Right. So if you guys do have your seat on your R6, basically what you would do is you just lift up the back portion of the seat right back here, and there'd be, I believe it's two 5 or 10 millimeter bolts, but they're both right here. And once you lifted up the back seat, you would just take out these 2 bolts. Once those 2 bolts came out, you grab the seat from the front position like this, and you simply just slide it back and then take it off, and then you'd be caught up to where we are right now.
Currently. Right. All right, so now that the seat is off, let's start the process. So what's the first thing to do?
So yeah, so once the seat's been removed and whatnot, the next thing you want to do is you're going to want to remove these 2 bolts, this one on this side of the bike and this one on this side of the bike. But pretty much it's just removing this piece of plastic right here. Once this little bolt comes out, you're just going to push forward and it'll unclip itself. And then the same thing on this side.
All right, so now the bolts are out. Those little side pieces are out too.
Yep. So once this has been removed or whatever, try to make sure you keep everything organized and in the same spot because all the bolts are super tiny.
Yep. And put all your nuts and bolts back.
Yep. Because if you lose anything, it's game over pretty much.
Yep. Not like you can order a whole new bolt kit for $30 on Amazon. But I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah. So pretty much next, what you're gonna have to do is you need to take out this this screw and ditto on this side.
Right.
And then this hex are actually T. I think it's like a T15 or a T20. Take this out as well, along with the 8 millimeter on this side and 8 millimeter on this side, which will pretty much allow you to lift up the tank itself off of, you know, the bike,
right,
so that you can get the 2 8 millimeter bolts that are holding this cover down.
Right.
All right, so now that you guys have taken off, and now that we've taken off,
yep,
all the bolts that go around the tank, the next thing to do is to lift it up. So just lift it up just like this. Now, it's very important that you guys remember this. There are 2 8 millimeter bolts that sit right underneath this little cover right here.
At least for the R6.
At least for the R6. You know, you don't want to be pulling on this cover like, probably want to come off and then it accidentally breaks. So make sure you get your 8 millimeter socket and you take these out. Everything on the bike was already pre-loosened just for the sake of time for us because we're kind of running behind schedule.
I gotta go to work.
Yeah, so we just, you know, made everything pretty loose. And also I forgot to mention that in order to do this, it's super simple. All you need is a ratchet, a 10 millimeter,
ratchet,
a torque set, an 8 millimeter, and your choice of power tool for your Phillips head screws.
I feel like I'm the dude on Tory Lanez live video that does all the ad-libs in the back.
Perfect. Yep. Perfect.
Yep.
All right, so yeah, so now, oh, and then once those two 8mm bolts are, you know, all said and done, there are 3 little connections here at the bottom. A white one, a green one, and one for your fuel. Just disconnect those and the tank will pop right off. So I forgot to mention there's one last bolt right here. It's just take your Torx and then break it loose. And then once it's broken loose, just kind of like so, back it out.
Give it a hand, ugga dugga.
Cut the tape, cut the tape.
Yep. Yep.
I almost got it.
We'll insert a funny SpongeBob clip.
There we go. No time for SpongeBob. And then once that comes out, bada bing, bada boom.
You blast the gas tank out now. Run wide. Yep. Let's just take some time to just enjoy a good looking bike. Ah ha ha. It's okay, baby girl. We'll get you back.
Damn why.
All right, so as you can see, the gas tank is out. That's what it looks like under for all you guys who don't work on your stuff, I guess. But now we are, so now we can say we work on our stuff. So here's the hole if you haven't seen it already. So what we're gonna do now is take this to my father. He's a pretty good welder, so he's gonna try and fix that hole that we have right there, get some Bondo after everything is cleaned up properly, try and even out the sides, and then we're gonna sand down the whole tank, and then we're gonna prep it for paint, and that's it for that. But also we have other parts that are coming in as well that I have right here. That's right. And then yeah, so anything you want to say? It's honestly fairly simple.
Yeah, hope the video helps anybody out who's in the same situation or just needs to do any type of maintenance to their tank. It's a fairly simple process. Probably would take you about 8 to 10 minutes. Nothing too crazy. It only takes us this long because of the way we record it for you guys.
That's true. And if you have all of your tools lined up, then it'll definitely take you 8 to 10 minutes. If you don't, you're probably looking at like 20. Depending on how clean and how organized you are as a mechanic, which is very 50-50.
It's very 50-50.
Yeah, it'll take you anywhere from 10 minutes to half an hour just to accumulate all that stuff into effect. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate the views, appreciate the likes, the comments, and the subscribers that we have gotten. Any new subscribers that came in, do us a favor. Watch any of our other videos. Yep, that's right. Let's just doing his faces again. Watch any of our other videos. Let us know what you like. Let us know what you don't like in our emails. Don't tell us that on the actual video, because then can you kick people? Can you like get rid of subscribers?
No. I think you can like lock comments or like remove comments. That's about it. I don't think. Why would you want to remove a subscriber? We need them. We need them. All of you. Even the
You better
bots.
be positive.
Yeah, even the bots. I don't care. Flow.
Or we'll kick you. I'll find a way. Like, comment, subscribe, boys. Anyways, bye.